ka habde ka type ka Shillong Western Bypass.
In a strategic effort to enhance its influence across all 60 constituencies in Meghalaya, the BJP has appointed 60 Mandal presidents. This announcement follows the success of a membership drive that began in October last year, which saw the party enrolling 60,000 new members within just 2 months. State General Secretary Wankitbok Poshna highlighted that this move is designed to strengthen the party's organizational framework. Regarding the upcoming district council election, State Vice President Krauboklang Basayaumoit mentioned that while the party may not contest all seats, it intends to field candidates in select constituencies.
So this exercise started in the month of September on 2nd, wherein our first primary member was our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. Thereafter, all the national leaders, the state leaders, the district leaders renewed the membership, as well as we went throughout the state, in fact throughout the country, to enroll new members. So in this exercise, the party could gather more than 12.8 crores new memberships this time. And in Meghalaya alone, under the leadership of our state convener, Shri A.L. Hegji, we had registered new primary members of more than 60,000.